guys, it's another beautiful day to hike. There's our shelter. Yeah, obviously you can tell Al's in a good mood. It's Pecks corner shelter that we stayed at.
You could have tried to do some business today or what?
What do you mean business? I'll tell you guys, the views are just beautiful on this last 2 days of our hike. I know Al has shed, I don't know, about 8 pounds, I think. Anywhere from 5 to 8. So his hike is much more enjoyable.
Except for the company.
He loves me. Loves me like a brother. Say hi, Al.
Hey, Al.
Say you love me, buddy.
I love me, buddy.
You gotta love that humor, huh? Not.
Oh!
That was an okay echo. Well, after a steady incline, now it looks like we're going to go down for a bit. In fact, we only have 2 more days and we'll be out of the Smokies. Tonight we'll camp, and then tomorrow I think we'll hit one of the popular hostels on the trail. It's supposed to be eclectic. What do you think eclectic means? It means different things to different people. Not so sure I'll like it, but we'll see. What do you think, Patricia? The AT Trails idea of a rest area in the middle of the trail. Now that's the AT's version of a detour. Had to go the trail around. Nice little climb. Nice little view.
We got home and he made sloppy joes, and I took one look at it and ran to the
This will be our lunch view, and it's called the helicopter pad, and we have some lunch guests with us.
like for the rest of the night. He wouldn't let me introduce myself.
Well, we're at Cosby Knob Shelter, and the shelter is packed, as you can see. Lots of people. Lots of people, lots of people, lots of people. Lots of people. There's the bear bags that are hung.
Are we red or green? My friend has very like nice eyes. They're like orange in the middle.